Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got an unboxing for July and it is Feelunique, the beauty kit. And this is the little bag that it comes in. So if you're new to the subscription and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. This subscription from Feelunique has been running for about a year, I think so anyway. Previously it used to be the beauty kit, which was a similar service to the subscription, but it cost a bit more money. With the subscription, you can either opt for a one-off box, which will cost you £13.95, or a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription. And if you opt for the subscription, then the costs are reduced. And shipping is included with that. And this is only available in the UK currently. The subscription is a little bit different to other beauty boxes out there in that you get to choose the products that go inside. All the products are deluxe minis, sometimes full-size products. Now they do have another sample service called the Pick and Mix, which entitles you to receive 5 samples, but they are mainly like sachets and little 1ml perfumes and things like that. But that is free, completely free. You just pay £3.95 shipping. Choices do vary on the website. There are quite a few pages where you can choose what type of products you want to add, and also if you want to be specific, like if you know the types of brands that you want to look out for, then you've got a drop down box at the side of the screen which goes through all the brands which you can tick, and you can choose makeup, skincare or particular makeup and things like that. So if you want to really narrow the choices down, then you can do it that way. All the products come in a little bag like this, but you will have an option to tick off if you don't want the bag. The reason I always tick yes is because I do it for YouTube. If you want to take out a subscription, then maybe you don't want a bag every single month, so there's that option to tick that off if you want to. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If you're interested in this subscription for yourself or the Pick and Mix sample service, plus because I collaborate with Feelunique now and again, they have given me a personal code which will entitle you to 20% off anything site-wide. There are a few exclusions, but not many. You can't use the code against the subscription or the Pick and Mix, but anything else off their website, then you're welcome to use it if you want to. Then you'll find that down below, as well as all the links to all the other services and subscriptions. You'll find all that down there as well. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what I chose this month. First up, I've got a Korres Renewing Body Cleanser, and this is the Guava. There's 40 mils here. I love this brand. I've tried a few different products and shower gels, and I absolutely adore it. I am going to Greece. I might already be in Greece by the time you see this video, and I'm going to be looking out for this brand, definitely. Oh, it smells so nice. It just smells gorgeous. Yeah, 40 mils here, which is a nice little travel size, isn't it? So that's the first item I chose. Next, I got an unscented solid deodorant. This is by Ethique and it's a mini deodorant. And it says, instead of baking soda or aluminium, our wonder ingredients are magnesium hydroxide, zinc oxide and bamboo, which absorbs 200% of its own weight in sweat and oil. Unscented for super sensitive skin, with jojoba and sweet almond oil for silky smooth underarms. And I thought that would be handy to take away anywhere, or even to pop in my bag, in my handbag. I have to find like a little case for it, because I'm sure just putting this in my handbag it won't be great. Oh look, it's in the shape of a heart. I can feel it. It feels nice. I'm smelling it. There's no scent. There's no scent. So yeah, I thought that was a really nice thing to have, because you never know when you need some deodorant to stop you from sweating. Next, I went for a eye makeup remover, and this is by Laboratories Filorga Paris Optim Eyes Lotion, and it's an eye makeup remover serum, moisturising, revitalising, lash fortifying, and it even gets rid of waterproof mascara, and there's 20 mils there. Can you see? You can see that it's separated, so give it a good old shake. So I thought that would be a really nice, handy travel size to take on holiday with me. I am bringing some cleansing balms, but I am bringing Benefit Bad Girl Bang. It's quite hard to get off your lashes, so I thought maybe having this as well might really help it. So yeah, so there's that. Next, I've got a Luminaire Nordic Sea Bright Eyes All-in-One Eye Treatment with vitamin C and Arctic Cloudberry for all skin types. And there's 15 mils here. And this is full size. I'm sure of it. I'm sure of it. I have had one, I think, in an advent calendar. Normally eye creams are around 15 mils, so I'm sure it's a full-size product. It's a really nice cream. It's a really nice cream, nice and hydrating. I love the Valo C range. It's one of my favourites ever skincare range. It just says, helps boost skin's radiance, intensely hydrates the skin, high performance, Nordic beauty for a better future. Sustainably made in Finland. So yeah, really, really happy that that was on there. So got an eye cream. And then lastly, I got another really great size product. This is Beauty Lab London Micellar Cleansing Water and Ultra Mild Hydrating and Softening Cleansing Water. And there's 100 mils there. It's a nice size. Effortlessly eliminate impurities and makeup, even the waterproof kind, with this ultra gentle yet super effective cleansing water. Mild on the skin, it's infused with L-arginine that boosts moisture, encourages collagen production and promotes firmness, while radish root peptide and white willow bark offers antimicrobial and calming benefits. The skin is beautifully fresh and hydrated and feels smoothed and comfortable. Well, it sounds amazing, doesn't it? For a micellar water. I use micellar waters in the morning. Usually I do a double cleanse at night, and then in the morning then I don't want to overly cleanse my skin again, so then I just go over my skin with the micellar water, just getting rid of overnight nasties on my skin. And then, yeah, no, so I do use them all the time. A really great size there. So those are all the products I chose for my one-off beauty box, which cost me £13.95, and that includes shipping as well. And yeah, I just like to dip in and out now and again. I've got a Korres Guava Body Cleanser. I've got an Ethique Mini Deodorant Bar. A Filorga Paris Eye Makeup Remover Serum. Got a Luminaire Valo C All-in-One Eye Treatment. And lastly, Beauty Lab London Micellar Cleansing Water. Yeah, really, really happy with my choices this month. I'd love to hear what you think. Do you regularly subscribe to the subscription, or do you do what I do, just dip in and out now and again? And if you've done so recently, have you chosen any of the products that I have as well? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.